morning everyone. Welcome back to class. So we are doing the chapter The Clean World. So what you have seen in the clean world, all living and non-living things around us from the environment, human being, air, water, land, plant, animal are the all parts of environment. What are the all parts of environment? Human being, air, water, land, plants, animals are all a part of the environment. Yes. So with the increasing population is increasing, the environment is undergoing changes. Due to the increasing of population, environment is undergoing changes. With the rise in population, more houses are being built. More population is there, for that what we are doing, more houses we are buildings are built, factories are being made, more factories are being made, more vehicles move on the land, and you can see that more vehicles also move on the land. With all these changes, there are changes in air, water and land. With all this changes, where it is changes are there? In air, water and land. So it is clear about the clean world, what changes are there and how changes are there due to the increasing of population. So increasing of population, what's happened there? So more houses we are build, factories are being built more, and more vehicles you can see on the road. So today you will know about the pollution. What is the pollution? When in the road, when you are going, you are seeing that too much vehicles are there. When too much vehicles are there, too much dust will be there, too much smokes will be there, and these things pollute our air, our environment. This thing pollutes our environment. Yes, in big cities when you will go, so their trees are not there, too much of vehicles are there, because too much of peoples are there, too much factories are there, so vehicles are there, too much of vehicles, and with that vehicles gases are coming out and smoking, people are doing smokings, and with that every gases are coming, and these all are affecting our environment, and this is known as a polluting our environment, that is a pollution. Okay, so what you are seeing here, student, that pollution is the addition of harmful thing. What is the pollution? It is the addition of harmful things to the air, water and land. What is pollution? Pollution is the addition of harmful things, and where these harmful things are adding? In air, water and land. So air means vehicles are there, in that we are polluting our air. Land, we are throwing things here and there. Yes, we are not throwing in the dustbin, you are seeing. In school also you are eating toffee, wrapper, biscuits, you are throwing here and there. You are polluting that things. So polluting our air, land and water. How we are polluting our water? All the water dust from the factories we are throwing on the water. Yes, we are also washing our clothes, animals in that water. We are polluting that water, washing, taking bath of the animal and throwing garbages that water. So we are polluting the water. So this all we are only doing all this thing. So that is only known as the pollution. So what is the pollution? Pollution is the addition of harmful things to air, water and land. It is clear to you all what is pollution? Pollution is a addition of harmful thing to air, water and land. The substance that pollute the environment are called pollutant. What is the pollutant? The substance. The substance means we are throwing the things there. That substance, okay. The substance that pollute the environment, that pollute our environment are called pollutants. That is known as pollutants. So this much it is clear to you all what is the pollution and what is the pollutant. What is pollution? That pollution is the addition of harmful things to air, water and land. Pollution is the addition of harmful things to air, water and land. Okay? And what is the pollutant? The substance that pollute the environment. The substance that pollute the environment are called pollutants. So till here it is clear to you all what is the pollution and what is the pollutant. So how we are polluting our environment? We are polluting our environment by throwing the garbages on the water, in the water we are throwing, or land we are throwing, or smokes or gases that coming out from the vehicle, smokes from the factory that pollute our air. In all the activities which we are doing, in this way we are polluting all the things. Yes. So whose responsibility? Main responsibility for the polluting the environment. So these are the main responsibility of the polluting the environment. One is the air pollution is there, water pollution is there and land pollution is there. So three types of we are polluting the things: water pollution, air pollution and land pollution. Okay, till here it is clear to you all what you have learned today. Today you have learned about the pollution. What is pollution and what is pollutant? So what is the pollution? What you have seen? Pollution is the addition of harmful things to air, water and land. Yes, addition of harmful things to air, water and land. And who all are doing the addition of these harmful things? We are responsibility for that. We all are doing and we all are adding this thing. No, we are only throwing the harmful things in water. How we are washing our clothes, our animals, our utensils, and we are polluting the water. And how we are polluting the air? Gases are there, factories gases are coming out, and what vehicles, too much of vehicles, gases are coming out, smoking, all this pollute our air. And land, we are throwing garbages here and there, our wrapper, all this thing, after throwing this we are polluting our land. So this is only known as a pollution. It is an addition of harmful things to air, water and land. And what is the pollutant? Pollutant, the substance that pollute the environment are called pollutant. The substance that pollute the environment, that is known as a pollutant. So it is clear to you all. So what you have seen today about the pollution and the pollutant, and who is responsibility for that? We are only responsibility. We we are only doing all this thing, we are only responsible for the polluting the things, and we have to only control this thing. Yes. So pollution are three types. What are they? Air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. Okay, air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. So till here it is clear to you all. So today this much only. Next day again I will continue with other topic. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.